Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirindra from Leo Tales, and what we have here today is the anti-aging edition of Luho box. So Luho is a beauty subscription basically, and this edition it's not like a month oriented edition, so you will still find it in the website, so that's pretty good. So the packaging of Luho box is pretty nice. It has this it comes in this good sturdy box which you can reuse, and there is this velvety cloth as well, and here are the products. So let's get started. The first product that we have here is so this time all 5 products are by the same brand, Sage Apothecary. It is the activated charcoal and tea tree body wash. You're getting 200 ml of the product. Against animal testing, 100% natural, made in India and handmade with love. It has this, the typical charcoal like fragrance. It's more of I would say a manly or a unisex kind of fragrance, not sweet, but I like the charcoal kind of things for body because it gives that deep cleansing feeling, especially like if you are exposed to a lot of pollution and all, it feels really nice. The next product that we have here is the Indian Detan mask. The key ingredient is Japanese kojic acid. It's a 100-gram product, and the ingredients are mentioned here. It has betonite clay, kojic acid, fuller's earth, which is multani mitti, neem leaf, basil, eucalyptus, jojoba. A lot of amazing ingredients which are good for skin. So let's just see. It's a plastic like body with a metallic cap like packaging, and this is how the mask looks like. It has a very strong eucalyptus minty kind of fragrance. The color, I'm not sure if it is visible. It's like a beige or a cream, dirty cream kind of color. So that is the second product, and this again can be like a unisex product. So being a clay mask, I think it will be particularly suitable for oily skin. The next 3 products we have are 3 sets of serums basically. The first serum is the hyaluronic acid and Belgium lavender day serum, 30 ml, glass bottle. It's like an amber bottle, and the ingredients here are all the list of ingredients. So it's lavender based and $8.99. Lavender based, so I'm assuming it will have that nice classic fragrance. It is pretty colorless actually, and let's just see. It does feel like very lightweight, like just like water. Yes, it has a mild lavender fragrance, not too strong, and I think it will suit oily skin. Being a day serum, it cannot be that heavy on skin also, because you might wear it underneath your makeup or something, and it is not heavy. So that is the first product, or the first among the 3 serums. So the serums are all packed nicely in this bubble wrap packaging, so that's okay. The next one is just a face serum. It's vitamin C, 20% vitamin C and vitamin E and goji berry, again 30 ml, and the ingredient list are mentioned here. This one is pretty expensive. Let's just see the texture and all. So it has a slight yellowish color, I hope you can see, and this again, the texture wise, it feels very similar to the day serum, like lightweight. It doesn't really have any fragrance, to be honest. It feels a little more greasy than the day cream actually, a little more greasy I would say. None of these are like mattifying effect or anything. Yeah, this one feels a little more sticky and a little more greasy. So for oily skin, maybe it could be a good night serum. And not good night serum, I meant good night serum. And the last product that we have here is Argan Oil Face Serum. That is the third product. It is with 24K gold leaves. Okay, that's pretty cool. You're getting 13 ml, 13, and the price is $559. So how is the application? Okay, so this is how the application, like there is no dropper applicator. You have to open this and use. I don't really get any fragrance, but I can see the particles. I'm not sure if my camera is capturing it correctly. I hope you can see. You can actually see the 24 karat gold particles inside the serum. I'm wondering why it came in this packaging and not a dropper. But I'm happy that it's a plastic, like it's a transparent bottle, because these kind of things, like gold leaf and all, you should really see, because only then you can feel the beauty of the product. So that is the last product, and yeah, it is looking very pretty. Unfortunately, I have a yellow like a matte, so you won't be able to make it out. But anyway, so that's everything we received. This time there was no info card. Then again, it's okay. I think printing an info card is pretty much a waste of resources, so that's okay. So these are all the 5 products. So I'm very excited to try the 24 karat Argan Oil Face Serum, because this one looks very promising, and the mask is also nice. There are 2 serums. That is the only thing that I'm wondering. Maybe, as I said, one can be the morning serum and one can be the night serum. So these are all the products in the anti-aging box, and let's say it's kind of a unisex box as well. So that's pretty good. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what are your thoughts on this. I would like to know. We will meet again. Until then, take care. Bye.